Okay. Teacher is...
Stunning ladies, give yourselves a pat on the
Wait, me to know ha. I need to turn a little bit about the reference.
Okay. Now we are about to announce winners. Our first set of special awards. But before that, of course, we want to give due recognition to all the local designers who created their stunning outfits. They're wearing beautiful swimsuits by Rose Paul Silhouette. They all rock that stage, set it on fire. Pero sa tinood po, crochet tops. Yeah, I love how vibrant and they are. The fresh take on the design that they've got. That's true. Their crochet tops were made especially for them by Cora and Cecilia. And can I just say, Rini is shaking. Do you all agree with that? We do agree with that. So thank you so much to Cora and Cecilia. Thank you also to Rose Paul Silhouette for once again their beautiful swimsuits. And of course, thank you so much to Tina for their production outfits, which are candidates for that night. Absolutely.
Okay. So for today, Tono, let us have pet reading. Okay. The last time we have listening, now let us have reading. Okay. Before we have the word interval, accompany,
this award goes to the candidate.
disappointed, disappointment. Okay, disappointed, it means you are upset because something you hope for has not happened or been as good, successful as you expected. Okay, next we have here. Okay, please try to check, read, Tono, read carefully, ha? Read and understand so that you can answer.
Teacher, we done this.
Okay, this is 5.4. Are we done with 5.4,
We
Pet?
done this, teacher.
Okay, wait me, ha? Wait me, I will find.
Tonight, the best introduction number goes to candidate number. I'm hearing so many bets, but it's you, candidate number 8.
Ayan.
Ella Merali Lagrido.
To award the best introduction number, and we call on Ms. Rosette Ranana and Mr. Paul Rana.
Okay, I will send it to you now.
Yes.
Okay, so this one. Okay, so this one, let us have here. Okay, so this one. This is 6 now.
Okay.
Read and understand, Tono, ha?
And tonight, our Miss Congeniality is candidate number. Candidate number 12. Igor. Marian Dayan Ibanez.
To award the Miss Congeniality award, number yeah.
Okay. Watch repairs. Warning to customers, all uncollective items will be sold after 12 months. The shop. Okay. Oh, very good. Yay. This shop will keep customers watch it for up to 12 months. Okay, very good. Okay,
Goes to
now,
candidate number.
tally boom.
Candidate number 12. Yours. Ariel Diane Ibanez.
And now, Darling of the Press, presented to the candidate, captivated the Bohol media and news correspondents during the Miss Fall 2024 press presentation and June United Capital Cash.
And our 2024 Darling of the Press goes to candidate
Darcy
number.
Hernandez.
Candidate number 11.
Calvilaran.
Tacubaya City. Tatiana Waki.
So we're going on. Third member of the Melanie Wallace.
My dear candidates and my dear audience, this really is just the beginning. We still have so many different hurdles to overcome tonight. But of course, thank you so much to all our candidates and congratulations to our first set of awardees. We now all take your exit and prepare for the next phase of our competition.
Teacher.
Okay, finished. Philip couldn't wait any longer, didn't want to miss the start of the match. Problem at work? Here's your ticket. See you at the stadium. Okay, Stefano has given up, waiting for Philip to arrive. Okay, parents, complete and return your child's form for next month's school trip by Friday. Okay, again, complete and return your child's form for next month's school trip by Friday. Answer is the last day of returning completed forms for trip is Friday. So the schedule is Friday. Okay, next one. Okay, go. Very good, but at least you've got correct answer.
I finished, teacher.
Okay. So from Gabi to Joe, I'll be in town on business on Wednesday. So could we meet for dinner then instead of on Thursday as usual? Okay, so the letter is from Gabi to Joe. Okay, answer. Okay, it's letter A. Okay, so okay, lift service starts at ground floor today. For basement, please use the stairs. Okay, letter B. The lift will not be going to the basement today. Okay. Well, please, this one, let us skip this one. I know this quite hard for you. Okay. Just look at the sentences below about the Iditarod Trail in Alaska. Read the text on the opposite page to decide if each sentence is correct or incorrect. If it is correct, mark A on your answer sheet. If it is not correct, mark B on your answer sheet. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I know you can do it. Read and understand.
Maybe. May I go add, teacher? Thank you. I'm finished, teacher. Oh, wait me.
Okay. So this is about the history of Iditarod. Iditarod, the last great race on Earth. Okay, so in 1800, gold was discovered in what is now the most northern state of the USA, the Alaska. Okay, Alaska is a very cold country. Many people came to the area to get rich. New towns were built and grew quickly. One such town was called Iditarod, which means far, distant place. This town grew so quickly during 1909 that it briefly became the largest city in Alaska. In the summer months, essential supplies could be delivered to these towns by boat. But in the winter, the rivers and the ocean froze, and there was no way to get to them. So the track became known as Iditarod Trail. It took a team of dogs about 3 weeks to travel across Alaska. They stopped as road horses where drivers could get warm bed for the night and something to eat for both themselves and their dogs. The trail was used every winter and something to eat for both themselves and their dogs. The trail was used in 1920 when aeroplanes replaced steamboats and dove teams as main form of transport. Okay, number one. Okay. Letter B, correct. Next. A. Next. A, very good, Donna. When traveling on either trail, drivers have to take food for the dogs with them. Okay, B, no. In 1920s, airplanes were used more often than boats and dogs. Oh, sorry. A. And 16B, the pilot. Okay, doctors in Nome had good food supply medicine to cure diphtheria. It's B. Okay. The pilot car Eliza refused to fly his plane because of the cold weather. Okay. Leonhard Sipala dog was able to lead him safely to his destinations. And Balto fell into some icy water, but managed to save himself. The Iditarod race takes different route every year. It is letter D. Hey. Now, 21 to 10. 21 to 25. Please answer the question.
Finish teacher.
Okay, 21. What is that writer trying to do in the texts? Letter C. What can the reader learn about Aichi-chan from the texts? Okay, he works in a different way from other artists. Very good, Dono. Okay, next one, 23, please.
And finish teacher.
Okay. What does Ai Chi-chun say about his use of colors? It is letter C. He understands how different colors work together. So Ai Chi-chun prefers models who don't what? Feel anxious to see the work as it's developing. And what might visitor and an exhibition say about Aishishun work? It's letter B. You can still see the influence of his trip to Italy in some of these pictures. Okay, next one. Read the text below and choose the correct answer for each space. One you choose just underline or encircle.
Okay. Fitness teacher.
Okay, 26. Okay, very good. 27, 28, 29, 31, 34. Okay, it's okay, Tono. I know it's quite hard. Oh, it's okay, no problem. Okay, so for today, Tono, teacher will end a little bit early, like 4 minutes. We still have 4 minutes. And I will have to add time for you. Okay, sorry. So our class, Tono, will be on when again, Tono? Teacher. So Monday, right? We will have class on Monday, 4 p.m. Right, Tono?
Okay.
Yeah, I will see you 4 p.m. on Monday. Okay, thank you so much,
Okay.
Tono. Okay, God bless. See you on Monday. I will add more time on Monday. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
We will gonna have speaking class on Monday. Okay? Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Have a great
Bye,
weekend.
teacher.